Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. So here we need to find the ratio. So let us see the graph to understand this question. So this is point A and point B. The line segment point A, there is one point B. This is dividing the line segment into two parts. So we need to find the ratio in which this point is dividing the line segment. Means we have to find AP divided by PB. This divided by this. So we have to find this ratio. Using sections formula, we can find the ratio. So let us consider that this is due in the ratio of m is to n, or we can say k is to 1, where k is equals to m divided by n. So if we consider k and 1, it means we already know one number that will be easy to solve. So let us think that this is dividing in the ratio of k is to 1, and further solving by finding the value of k. Consider this as x1 and y1, x2, y2, and this is P. Point P is xy. So let P xy divides in the ratio of k is to 1, and we can solve this using sections formula. The coordinates of the point P xy, which divides the line segment joining the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 internally in the ratio m is to n, are mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So these points are already given. So this is P. So this is given as -1 and this is given as 6. Let us substitute in the formula. -1 comma 6 is equals to mx2. This is our m, this is n. So k into x2 is 6, 6k, nx1, n is 1 and x1 is -3, divided by k plus 1. Now my2, m is k, y2 is -8, -8k plus ny1, 1 into y1 is 10, divided by k plus 1. Now we have to equate this to find the value of k. So either we can equate -1 to this one or 6 to this y coordinate. So let us equate the x coordinate to find it easily. 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 equal to -1. (6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 equal to -1. So transpose this k minus k plus 1 there. 6k minus 3 is equals to minus of k plus 1 is minus k minus 1. Again transpose this minus k on this side and transpose -3 on this side. 6k plus k is equals to -1 plus 3. 6k plus k is 7k and -3 plus 1 is 2. So k is equals to 2 is to 7, 2 divided by 7. So we discussed that k is equals to m by n. So we can say that the ratio in which it is dividing is 2 is to 7. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find the value of x and y. So let us understand this using graph first, then we can solve this. These are the vertices A, B, C and D. Here it is given that these are the vertices of parallelogram and we have to find the value of this y and x from the points B and C. So it is given that it is parallelogram. It means the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, meaning the midpoints of both diagonals are same. This will be the midpoint of both diagonals. So we have to find the midpoint of both diagonals and equate them and solve them to find the value of x and y. So let us resolve this further. So a is 1 2, b is 4y, c is x6 and d is 3 5. So the two diagonals are AC and BD. So we have to find midpoint. The formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of diagonal BD. So while finding the midpoint of AC, let us consider this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So we will write here. So the formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So 1 plus x by 2 and 6 plus 2 by 2 is equals to the midpoint of BD. While finding midpoint of BD, let us say that this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. The midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2. So 4 plus 3 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. Now equate x coordinates and y coordinates to get the values of x and y. So here 1 plus x by 2 is equals to the x coordinate, which is 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2, and 6 plus 2 is 8 by 2 is equals to y plus 5 by 2. 1 times 1 plus x is equals to 7. So transpose this one on that side. X is equals to 7 minus 1, which is 6. 1 times. Now 8 is equals to y plus 5. Transpose this 5 here. 8 minus 5 will be 3. So y is equals to 3. The values of x is 6 and y is 3.